In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by locating and opening Gallery app. Now decide if you want to delete your photos from Photos or Albums sections at the bottom left corner. Let's start with Albums. Pick an album from which you want to delete your photos and click on this icon at the top right corner. Then use this one, also at the top right corner, this time without a check mark. And after all of your photos will be successfully selected, click on the ones you wanna keep. Then to get rid of the rest, use the Delete button at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to delete them from Photos, use the same icon. This time though, you can pick photos from chosen sections by clicking on this icon at the top right corners. I have only today, but you probably have multiple ones. So click on a chosen section, tap on photos you wanna keep, and delete the rest the same way as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!